Hi guys, it's Jeremy here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install multiple instances of SQL Server on your local machine. So the first thing you want to do is go into SQL Server folder on your start menu and go into the installation center. Click yes to make changes to your computer and it'll pop up with this screen. You'll then want to go to the installation folder or the installation option and click on new SQL Server standalone installation, and then it'll prompt you to find the installation media. So this is the tricky part for most people, but what you want to do is, if you have SQL Server 2019 like I have installed, it'll be on your C drive. You'd have a folder, if you've done it the standard way, called SQL 2019, and you want to click on developer underscore ENU and click OK. So then this will bring up the installation wizard for you. Okay, it'll do some scans, it'll check for product updates. This may take some time depending on if there is updates and so on. Just click next, perform new installation. We click add. Yep, we want to perform a new installation. Click yes, and we are using the developer edition, which is free. If you choose, yeah, I know the developer edition is free. I'm not too sure about the express and the evaluation. Click next, accept the terms and conditions, and then all we want to do is install the database engine services. And click next. You just have to wait for a little bit. Okay, and when you come to this screen, you want to give it a name. So I'm going to call mine SQL Server, say 3. Okay, because I already have 2 installed. I was doing a course on SQL Server integration services and I needed to create another instance of SQL Server so I could connect both of the servers and do some work on moving data from one server to another, which is where I had the need to create another instance. I didn't find a lot of information online on how to do it, so I decided to create a video. So after that step, we just click on next, keep it default, and then here you want to select mixed mode, and then you just give your SA user or your system administrator user a password. So I'll just do that. Okay, and then another important thing to do here is to add the current user of this to as administrator. So it'll add your Windows login as a user, as a system administrator user. So you can see my PC is called Windows 10-PC and my username is Jeremy. Okay, cool. And then you just click install. So this will take some time, and when it's done, you'll then be able to open up SQL Server Management Studio and log into this SQL Server. Yeah, and that's about it. And let me let me know if you guys want to also see a video of how to uninstall an instance of of SQL Server, just in case you've done your work and you want to remove it. Yeah, let me know. Thanks, guys. Cheers.